Alex Adventures. We're at Tockholes now, so Mark's being mother. Here he is.
Yay.
There's the Bruce. And Jason.
Hiya.
Jason from Stoke.
Ready for
Shepherd.
coffee?
Look at the size of that bike. To the monkeys. Tockholes now, across to Hoddlesden. A bit different. It says it's called Dean Lane, which is ideal. Fucking hell. Expect this, would you? This is unbelievable. Brilliant. Might just have a look up map and see which way it goes. That's a bit dicey, that, I think.
That's dicey for me, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll have it. Don't know if I have a raz up here just to see what's up here. I'll go and check. But at least we've got a place here we could probably turn you around if we needed to.
Yeah.
So we're at the Monkey Playground. I'm here with Monkey Mark in the background there, and over there Jason on the. We're both on monkeys. He's on the 1250 GS, and you know, he's going to come up this quite a steep slope up here. So he's got some nuts to do this, but I shall be filming. Viva the Monkey Revolution! Here he comes. Here he goes. Go on my first whistle. Here we go. It's a big beast this is to get up here. Just turning it around is difficult enough. And here it comes. Whoa! Fantastic! Viva! The Monkey Revolution! Viva! Viva! Well done, brother. That's fantastic. Look at that. A GS on top of an hill. A rare bird indeed. Some go in that, Jace. Look at that. Viva.
Anybody got any toilet paper?
So, a rare sight this. A GS at the top of an hill.
It is.
That's fantastic, that.
Can't get it down yet.
What was the weight again? What was the weight again?
They're about 250, aren't they? About 250 kilo.
Bloody hell, you're quite heavy. You don't look as heavy as that. Fantastic.
Jason made it up on the GS.
So Jason was an absolute legend. He did more on his GS in 2 hours than I did on mine in 2 years. So kudos, brother. It was great riding with you. So meeting up with Jason on the GS is the kind of thing that happens when you're out on the Monkey. 1 minute you're having a chat, then you're having a cup of tea. Next thing you're off-roading at the Monkey Playground. Shabba. Here's how this one started. Adventures. Just I can hear Monkey Mark in the background making his way up the lane. That's a Yoshimura exhaust if ever I heard one. He's coming. Here he is. Monkey Mark. Viva the Monkey Revolution. Not so bad, brother. You well?
I'm liking your number plate.
What, TT forever?
I'm very well, thanks, Dee. How you doing, buddy? You alright? I've seen you before, haven't I? Bob in the vein.
If you've been in Stoke,
No.
he's lying.
What's your name?
Jason.
I've just been chatting with another Jason down there. Good morning, Jason.
Jason, this is Monkey Mark.
I just randomly come up here, and I was just talking to a guy who's got a couple of bikes, and then this guy turned up.
D, no? Sit on it, Jason. So you'll be surprised at it feels like a big bike because of that seat. Look at that! I can't even get his leg over. Look at that. Hey, I tell you what, Jason.
Does it suit me?
It really suits you. Really suits you.
Thank you.
And as I said, there's always room for one in the garage. It does. When you see this on YouTube, you'll think, oh my God, I've got to get one.
Yeah.
You'll be number 13, the 13th buyer.
Wow. Yeah.
It is. Look at that.
It's comfy, isn't it?
So that's this is Jason's go-to ride. GS 1250.
Starbucks special.
Starbucks special. Why is it that?
That's what they say, don't they, with the GS riders, you know.
All right.
Give Starbucks.
That's what they do on them. Look for coffee.
Yeah.
I'm quite sure other people have adventures on them.
Yeah.
You know, I always say, Jason, every time you go out on a bike, it's an adventure.
Exactly, mate.
And every bike's an adventure bike.
Exactly.
Look at that. So we're just leaving Rivy Barn. Mark's going to lead us to Tockholes. We're going to go and have a brew. So here's Monkey Mark. Viva!
The Monkey Revolution.
And here's Jason. Our new friend from Stoke, who's going to come with us for a brew. Shabba.